All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about SMCI. The stock is hitting resistance at $42.50. Watch closely. It's going to be real important how we see market move at that resistant area. Let me break this down because our current price prediction in SMCI is for the market to go down. Now, before I go a little bit deeper into what I think market is about to do, hey, this is your first time seeing my videos? You like what I'm talking about? You like what you're seeing? Is it easy to comprehend? Then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me because I'm here to show you that this game, it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to spend 30 minutes to an hour on one chart trying to figure out what direction is the market trying to move. You want me to show you? All right, cool. All of my videos and content is still here on this platform. You guys can go back and check it out. We did this price prediction in SMCI on the 16th of December. We was looking for the market to go down. Has the market in SMCI, has it gone down? Yes, it has. But how far did price go down? Would you be surprised that it went that low? Look at that. We already identified a low in the market for SMCI. We already created this pocket of buying. Go back and listen to the video on December the 16th for SMCI. It's still there. The proof is still there. We said that that would be a target. And the market did hit that first target right there on January the 13th. Boom. 12.5%. Did you take something off the table? I told you about it. You can't say that you didn't know. Because that was a bottom, that was a target. So I want to say congratulations to you who did just that. Our next target was at this next pocket of buying and then ultimately down here at the third pocket of buying. Now, let's see if the market is still weak, because if it is, then we're not going to change our price prediction. But if it's not, then we need to change our analysis. Okay. So what have we seen since we did this price prediction in SMCI? Nothing much. Okay, we haven't really seen too much in terms of price movement. Price going up, price going down. When you see a market that is trading within a range, I'm going to keep it a buck. I'm going to keep it 100. This is just an opportunity that both sides of the market are staring at each other. They're trying to size each other up to see, okay, how much you got? How much you got? You really want to sell, or do you really want to buy? They're looking at each other from across the way before the next move occurs, before the next battle occurs. That's what we're getting right now in SMCI. Okay. You see that, right? Now, one thing that I do see on this chart is the sellers creating another pocket of selling right there. Okay, you see that? They created another pocket. The buyers really haven't created another pocket yet. So this pocket of buying is still firm. All right. Now let's look at SMCI on the 2. What do you guys think about the 2? Does it look bullish to you? Does it look bearish? Earnings is coming out, or is scheduled to come out on the 4th of February. That day, either before or after this information is released, is when I think the move is going to occur. Okay. So the great part about looking at charts is that we already have a perception as to what many people think, even leading up to this earnings release, because people have to get in position as to what they think is about to pop off once those earnings are released in SMCI. So as we look at the price action leading into this earnings release, does it look bullish to you? What about here on the 3? Is the market anticipating a move higher or a move lower? What do you guys think? Is this chart reflecting that anticipation of price movement? Do you see it here on the 4? What about on the 5? What do you think? Someone in SMCI has been selling the stock. Okay, they have been. Now, these bars represent just that. This one, this price bar, this price bar. Those three bars represent someone trying to sell. Now, when you see that, that's what you expect to see have happen, is that price sell off. You're looking for the market to go down. But did that happen in SMCI? Someone is holding this market. Somebody is. So maybe that person, that company, that individual, it could be a collective of people. Maybe they know something that we don't. Because they won't hold a stock's price in a certain price range if they didn't have a justifiable cause to come in and buy and hold the market. They wouldn't do it. That's asinine. You won't put good money into play if you didn't expect it to work out in your favor, or at least have a high probability of it working out in your favor. You won't do that. So why is not the market at SMCI going down then? Just something for you to think about, because earnings is coming up. Someone might be getting prepared for that earnings. SMCI on the weekly chart. Look what happened last week. This market is not going down. It's supposed to go down. That is the price bars that is printing on the weekly chart as well. These are weekly selling bars. This one, this one, this one, and this one. We're not getting the selling though. I hope I'm really honing in on that point, is that we're not getting that selling. Somebody is buying this stock while someone is trying to sell, and the sellers, they're not actually getting what they pay for in their selling. When you sell something, you want to see the market go down. If you're a seller, if you're a short seller, you're looking for a market to go in that direction, but it's not. So to me, logically thinking, maybe the market in FCI is bullish then. I think that's the direction that I think the market wants to go. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay. If this was the printed 2 weekly price bar, I will even have a higher confidence that buyers want to move the market up. But we got 6 days and 5 hours, because this prior 2 weekly bars let me know that those sellers are still there too. And then this 2 weekly price bar here too. What about on the 3? What happened on the 3? Look at this. This massive 3 weekly price bar, right? Did we see the market go down in the next 3 weeks? Did it go down? Nope. The market went right back up to the high of that 3 weekly price bar. Then the sellers came more active, pushed price back down. But did the market go down following that 3 weekly price bar? The answer is no. And as a matter of fact, look at how small that spread of that bar is. Where did the sellers go? Where did they go? If they really wanted price to go down, then the market would have gone down, but it didn't do it. Look at this final printed 3 weekly price bar here. Why did the market go down on this one? The only cause could be someone is buying the market. That's the only way. So let me look at this on a 330-minute chart. Okay, because I can still see the selling right here. And that's not a good thing. I don't like that. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. You can see that the seller still came through. I must admit, I'm torn. I am torn in how bullish or how bearish this stock is in SMCI. To me, it could go either way. And look this on the 7-hour. Okay, so I think we're going to do this. We are going to leave our price prediction the same. We're not going to change it. But if we continually see the market in SMCI not wanting to go down, then we will have to change. So if we see over the next week the market in SMCI break through this pocket of selling here and then trades in this sell pocket, but it kind of hugs it, it's not going down, then that's when you need to go ahead and change the idea that the market is not bearish and that is more bullish. Okay, so I'm going to add those two pockets of selling there, but I'm not going to change my price prediction just yet. I'm not that convinced that those sellers have left. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.